Hey guys, it's Roseanne Zaft and I'm here with my mango green smoothie. Not only have I put some amazing things in it, I've up-leveled it with superfoods. Why superfoods? Well, we already had the phytochemicals of the greens in here, but we're adding more phytochemicals. And these phytochemicals are special chemicals with disease-fighting properties. They can reduce the risk of certain forms of cancer, they reduce inflammation, and they strengthen your immune system. Plus, superfoods are low in calories. Many of them are derived from vegetables or fruits, usually the seeds or roots of the plants, and they're super easy to mix in green smoothies. And again, why choose superfoods? Well, you want to help regulate your metabolism, you want to help burn fat, lower your cholesterol, lower your blood pressure, regulate your blood sugar levels, and who doesn't need that? I know I do. You know, they help with heart disease, they protect against, like I said, certain forms of cancer, and they're going to help remove toxins from your organs and keep your blood very healthy. And as always, like our green smoothies, this helps promote digestive health. So I hope you will consider up-leveling your green smoothie the next time you make it. You can add things like berries, you can add foods like papaya, avocado, grapefruit. But when in doubt, just go ahead and pick up a bag of superfood powder and add a teaspoon or two and up-level your green smoothie today. I hope this is helpful. Look forward to hearing from you, any of your comments, questions, anything you got. Let me know how your mango green smoothies tasted for you, and I will be bringing you more delicious recipes to come. Until then, have a happy, healthy day. Stay safe, stay strong, and keep it green. Bye for now.